How's it going, everybody? Welcome into the shop. I'm super excited about this video. I want to tell y'all about a new project I'm working on called Have It Made. It's a new YouTube channel. So this channel's been around for about 2.5 years, and it's grown way more than I ever expected, and I really appreciate all y'all's support for that. But I was thinking last year, how can I use this channel to promote other craftspeople? How can I help the craft industry? Because that's something I'm very passionate about. So I partnered up with my brother-in-law, Wes Vita, who's a very talented photographer, always wanted to do video work. We've actually done some video work in the past together, so we're familiar with how each other work. We got together, we decided to do this channel, and today we have launched it. Yeah. All right, so I've put the link in the description to the new channel. After you watch this quick trailer, please head over there, subscribe, check it out. Wes and I have worked on this for almost 3 months now. We have 3 videos pre-shot, and the first one we uploaded today, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I am very, very excited about it. I think this channel is going to do a great job of showing craft to you guys and to viewers online. So watch the trailer. Please head over after this. Check out the newest video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And subscribe. My name's Andy Rawls, and this is Wes Vita. We've partnered up and we're hitting the road to document talented craftspeople, to tell their story, and to show their passion for what they do and for what they make. To show that they have it made. We're bootstrapping this project together with minimal gear and minimal money, and we want you to join us.
I think in the time that we live now, we're seeing a growing appreciation for things that are done by hand and people that do them.
If you truly are a craftsman, it's not just about making things that are nice, making things that are well built, using the best stuff. It's about trying to always improve upon how you last did that same job.
I look at my work and say, is this the best I can do? And if not, then why not? And if not, then what do I need to do to make it better? And I think it's a good thing that we can measure our life with. Am I doing well? And if not, how can I make it better? When somebody takes the time and the effort to learn their craft and then to be appreciated from that is the icing on the cake, I guess. You know, guys that do the kind of thing that I do aren't in it for money. It's got to be a pursuit of passion and to drive you toward excellence. You've got to want something other than just dollars.